If you want to build a viral shorts page that runs on automation where you share just an idea and AI agent instantly uploads a realistic viral style video on YouTube. So this tutorial is for you. Today we built that AI agent in just 7 steps. From a simple form submission through AI prompt design to automatic rendering and posting. The videos feels like real and natural. And the most important thing that will be the chance of hitting million of views. In a recent test channel, the first 2 hours crossed 100K views across multiple videos and monetization started kicking in after that. The point is to stay consistent and automate as much as possible. Step number one, create the prompt trigger. So first of all, open your n8n website, this website, and sign up or sign in. Create workflow, rename this short video, viral, and add a note. This note on form submission and form title, viral video creation, add form element, and name is share your idea and go to the chat GPT and ask some story idea. Enter this. Wait for a second. And take it. Just a simple idea. Execute step, paste it, submit this, and this first step is done. Step number two, create the prompt generator. So add a note, AI agent, this note, change this source for prompt, define below, and this prompt, share your idea. Just drag and drop, and system message, You just paste the prompt you can get in the description box, and add a chat model, OpenAI, OpenAI chat model, and connect to the credential, and model is GPT 4.1 mini. This is nice. All okay. Second step is done. Step number 3, create the title generator. So add a node, OpenAI, OpenAI, and message model, and choose a model, ChatGPT 4o latest, type text, role, this user, and prompt. I just paste the prompt. You get this prompt in the description box, and execute. Okay, this is perfect. And the viral title, this elevator ghost caught. This is nice. Step number 3 is done. Step number 4, add a node, HTTP, HTTP request, this node, and we need Sora credential. So go to this website, kia.api, open this API market, and text to video, select Sora 2, try it, and API, this option, make sure create task, scroll down and request example, copy this card, copy, back to workflow, paste card, import this, and back to that website, and API market, API key, create a API key, test, create, copy this, back to workflow, and paste this space, buried your API key, this space, and paste it, and expression this, edit this prompt, select this text, and paste this code. You get this code in the description box, and change this landscape to portrait. Portrait. All okay. Step 4 is done. Step number 5, add a note. This note, set a time, 200 seconds, not minutes, hours or days. Make sure seconds. So step 5 done. Step number 6, add a note, HTTP, this note, and go to Kai website, this Sora API website, and model market, Sora 2, this, and API section, make sure query task, this. I want to results, right? And copy this card and copy this card, copy back to website, back to workplace, import this card, this task ID, wait note, code, message, data, and this type of task ID. Okay, done. And authorization your API key. So back to this HTTP and copy API key and back to this HTTP and paste API key. Execute step is successful and schema this result JSON type and copy HTTP to MP4 and URL, enter this and download. So get the result.
Oh my god, I'm calling 911.
Wait!